Okay. Okay. Year-end tax season is almost here, and for many business owners, that means pressure, penalties, and unexpected penalties. Let me put it that way. In your year end, some business owners are always confused, and sometimes they feel that they are afraid of the taxman. But it doesn't have to be, but this doesn't have to be your story this year. Whether you run a tech startup, e-commerce business, a private school, a clinic, a farm, even it could be a real estate. It could be a real estate. This time around, you do not need to be afraid, because with this session I will show you how to stay compliant and penalty free. My name as usual is Taisha from Taisha Associates, and today we are talking about simple practical ways to avoid those fines that FIRS, Federal Inland Revenue Service, and state tax authorities are quick to issue when your returns are not done right. I would like you to just take notes of these tips that will help you in order to avoid payment of penalties. But before I jump into that, let me just quickly ask you, or let me tell you, let me provide you the solution why penalties happen at year end. Why is it that it is year end that you have penalties? So before we talk about the solutions or how to avoid payment of penalties, let's be honest. Let's be honest with ourselves about why most small and medium enterprises get penalized. It usually comes down to three basic things. 1, poor record keeping. 2, missing deadlines. And number 3, filing incorrect or incomplete returns. Most penalties are avoidable. They happen because business owners are busy, systems aren't organized, or no one is properly tracking tax obligations. That's the reason why you have penalties. But now let's go to the solutions, how we can avoid it. Number 1, keep your records all year round. Keep your records all year round. The easiest way to avoid penalties is to avoid last minute scrambling. Your income, expenses, invoices, payroll, bank statements, everything should be updated monthly. If your records are clean, filing becomes quick and accurate. If your records are a mess, you will either miss deadlines or submit the wrong figures, and both attract penalties. Number 2, reconcile your books before you file. Year-end filings are essentially a summary of your financial year. If your books are reconciled with your bank account, payment receipts, and value added tax, pay as you earn schedules, the numbers will not be wrong. But if they are not reconciled, it will be wrong. Wrong numbers equals wrong returns, which equals penalties. A full year-end reconciliation helps you catch errors early and avoid a problem later. Number 4, track all filing deadlines. So many small business owners do not even know the tax deadlines. Every tax has a different deadline. Value added tax, you must file 21st of the following month. Pay as you earn, you must file 10th of the following month. Company income tax annual returns, you must file 6 months after your accounting year end. And of course, personal income tax returns. This one is filed, and this for individuals is filed. The deadline is March 31st. And also, filing your employment income returns is filed. The deadline is January 31st. And of course, withholding tax, 21st of the following month is the deadline. If you miss any of these, you get charged automatically. That's why it helps to set calendar reminders or work with an accountant to monitor all deadlines for you. Tip number 4, file even when you make 0 sales. Note this, file even when you make 0 sales. This is a big one. Many small and medium enterprises ignore filing because they think we didn't make money, so there is nothing to file. That is totally wrong. Whether you made money or you don't make money, whether you make profit, loss, or have 0 activity, the law still expects you to file returns. Late filing of nil returns also attracts penalties. Always file even if the figures are 0. It keeps your business compliant and prevents unnecessary fines. Tips number 5, keep evidence of all tax payments. Keep evidence of all tax payments. Sometimes penalties happen because the authorities do not see proof of what you already paid, and that suggests that you should keep remitter RRR receipts, bank payment slips, filing acknowledgements, and tax clearance certificates. You must keep these records. Organize these as digital folders. During audits or reconciliations, these documents save you from the penalties you didn't deserve in the first place. If you have properly put them in digital folders, they save you from paying penalties. Tip number 6, don't mix personal and business finances. One common reason for errors during tax filing is mixed transactions. Personal spending shows up as business expenses. Business income enters your personal account. The moment the numbers are messy, your tax filings become inaccurate. Separate your accounts and keep your books clean. It saves you from both penalties and disputes. And of course, the last but not the least, number 7, work with a professional during year end. Year end filing is not the time for guesswork. A trained accountant and a good tax practitioner understands tax laws, allowable deductions, incentives, compliance rules, and how to avoid mistakes that trigger penalties. A professional review helps you file correctly, claim eligible incentives, avoid underpayment or overpayment, stay fully compliant. It's a small investment that prevents expensive penalties later. If this video has provided an incisive it has given you an insight into how to avoid penalties, please like it, share it, and in fact, if you are coming across it for the first time, follow it. And I'm expecting your question in the comment section. And if you are watching us on YouTube, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you can be aware of our next video. So let's just recap at this point the 7 ways to avoid penalties during year-end tax filing. Number 1, keep proper records. Number 2, reconcile your books. Number 3, track deadlines. Number 4, file even if you have 0 sales. Number 5, keep payment evidence. Number 6, separate personal and business finances. Then number 7, work with professionals. If you follow all these steps, year-end filing becomes simple, stress-free, and penalty-free. At Taisha Associates, we help small and medium enterprises stay compliant throughout the year, from bookkeeping to monthly filings to full year-end tax reports. If you'd like us to review your books or help you prepare for your year end, send a message or visit our website www.taishaaccountingservices.com.ng. Let's help you stay compliant, confident, and ready for growth. Until I come your way next week, stay blessed.